So what we have here is the removal of a very aged coating along with grain race due to weathering. So here are the supplies and equipment needed for log home finish removal by sanding. Number 1, safety glasses. Number 2, a respirator. Number 3, variable speed sander to control RPM. Number 4, sanding disc holders, both 7-inch and 4-inch, not to exceed 5,000 revolutions per minute. Number 5, 2 types of sanding discs, coarse 60 grit and medium 80 grit, both in 7-inch and 4-inch. Starting with the coarse 60 grit 7-inch sanding disc attached to the variable speed sander set at 4,000 RPM. Start with small up and down movements and left to right movements as well to remove as much finish as quickly as possible. If you would please just take a moment and like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out a lot. We'd greatly appreciate it. Switch to the coarse 60 grit 4-inch sanding disc to get into smaller places the other will not fit. Now repeat all steps with the medium 80 grit sanding discs to eliminate any surface defects or sand marks left behind from the initial coarse removal. Brush off surface when done to examine the removal and ensure you achieve the results you expected. Now we do recommend a log wash application to remove any contaminants not only from the surface, but debris remaining in checks and fissures as well.